Halo, wawa, aduh, ya Sugante channel terek buruk, cek diriksakeun baru aya keneh geuning Sugante terek leungit gitu. Tapi dipikir-pikir kudu dah kenela teu kuda blingan oge kumaha lamun urang main game bari ngeceblek, bari nonton game tapi disebutna teh naon nya di bahasa Inggris what trog gitulah pokoknya namanya. Tapi intina mah urang main bareng jeung dek karena ida blingan baru dak nareuh can baralik gawena aduh lalila bagoy can mararudik. Jadi orang main game aja dek. Ayeuna orang main Flaguetel ting naon lah pokona mah kitu. Intina mah ieu teh berceritakan cenah mah tentang si teteh-teteh jeung adina anu di mana kampungna keuna ku wabah penyakit beurit anu kasurupan nya. Matana bareureum geuninganan. Tapi lebih jelas nama ayo come on let's go lah orang main di Neo Game. Listening mode naon listening mode teh listening teh aing nyaho eta teh dedengean mode ngadenge berarti. Lah pencetan we. Oh ya kereta mah riab euy. Cek barudak macet baturan cenah rame cenah. Wah cenah coba main game ieu cenah anu tentang beurit eta naon teh kajajaden wabah. Satu Derunelega. Naonnya maksudna Derunelega gitu. Oh, Legacai. Derunelega cai. Gila bagong telodingna ah. Oke, awal video ditampakkan yang berwarna kuning ya dengan banyak manuk yang berterbangan. Di sini tampak ada dialog. Kedengarannya mah ada sebuah dialog ini teh. Budak awewe jeung bapak-bapak. Oh, ada suara anjing juga ya. Ngobrol naon itu ya?
The Knight's Challenge. But you're not 10 years old anymore, you know.
Oh, please, Father. I've trained hard for this.
All right.
Ayo tuh. Oh, ku dewek ringnya dipajukeunana. Pagoy sugan teh. Maju sorangan. Ini ada Dogi juga ya. Halo Dogi. Sini orang usap dulu. Pagoy badag ya lamun dijual euy ka Manado ya, ka pasar Temoho. Badak laku 2 juta aja teh. Ayo Beh, mau kemana kita Beh hari ini Beh? Ngarasuluh. Oh. Duh, dek kudu belajar bahasa Inggris euy ke cara nama euy. Jadi ngarti naon dibanguskeun teh. RT lu lok, cenah lok oh itu. Look, cenah look teh lihat.
Yes, Father, I know. If only she could come with us.
Ada grafikna euy tingali tampak kalakai geus sing marurag kieu.
You know in a family. Hey, trying to tell her something.
Such authority, Knight Darun.
Go.
Tuh, sok tuh.
Something back for once. Right. As I was saying, we all have obligations. I have to manage these lands. Mother has to take care of your brother. And you.
And I hardly ever see you. I see Mother even less.
Listen.
Ngobrol naon
Here
teh.
for you now. So, follow me, daughter.
Oh, tak itulah ceblek we teu kaharti. Ya tina mah itu urang teh meureun kita tuh keleuweung ya guys ya mau ngarasuluh kayaknya main ini teh.
Come on then.
Sambil latihan pencet-pencet kayaknya. Tuh kan.
You dare to enter the trials gate.
Oke.
Darun fears nothing.
Aratul hulu lagi nih euy.
When you were born, it will prove your worth.
Sir Knight, what are the terms of the test?
The sacred apples of the sacred apple tree have been corrupted by a great evil. If you destroy 6 of these rotten apples by the time I count to 10, I will make you a knight.
I accept your challenge.
I can see some stones near the trunk over there. Go and get them and tell me when you're ready.
Naon disuruh ngambil ieu rungkunukan naon caduk naon nya. Gak caduk. Oh, batu.
Ready?
Bagus.
I'll show you I'm not a child anymore.
Oke. Itu berarti tanggalan batu ya, Tita Babe. Tuh bisa.
Shall be done.
Beres menurut segitu. Alt L2.
So here we go.
Kemana? Oh, kena apel. Oke. Set. Wih. Oh, jadi bandring nanti kieu nih nya di luar negeri mah.
4,
Dihitung.
5. Come on, Amicia.
Siap.
7.
Alah, tukuna apa gue?
9 and 10.
10.
Not bad. But your sling makes a devil of a noise.
Oke, thank you, Babe.
Oh yes. Quite forgotten. Goodness, what's up with him?
Nun, euy.
He must have smelled the rabbit. Come on, quickly.
Udah beurit eta cenah beurit.
I'll catch up with you.
Kelenci rabbit Elin. Black, tunggu Black. Tunggu Teteh Black.
Leo, wait for me.
Lompat. Eta kumaha ieu? Alah. Cetek. Tamu udah beurit. Kudu kagegel.
A hunting dog is not supposed to lose its...
Blackie, kemana kamu Blackie?
Where did he go?
Blackie. Kurang gogok naon euy.
What did you smell?
Naon euy.
Oh gosh, a wild boar.
What
What a good dog.
Itu barang haram hungkul ya euy.
Find something.
Haram jeung haram tinggal ibaratnya. Begu. Oke.
Game.
Di kumaha ya?
Nicely for a little feast.
I could use my sling.
That might work. But you'll need to get
Aya
closer.
begu euy.
This grass will keep you hidden if you stay low.
Oh, oke. Ngerti. Cita nguruduk lelaunan cenah.
It's drinking.
Oh,
Time to make
kencing.
my move.
Aduh, haram ketemu haram jadinya nih. Babet gitu. Wah, lompat.
Find a way to sneak up.
Tunggu. Kemang naon
My
ieu?
best. I want that
Dongko.
I know. You can do it, my darling.
Oke.
Use the high grass. Stay low.
Siap benang.
Does hunger always make you this accurate?
Yes.
But the feast isn't on your plate quite yet.
Udang Dwi.
Go, Leon. Don't
Ternyata bangun lagi guys. Kayaknya begu ini kuat sekali ya. Punya ilmu kebal kayaknya nih babi ini nih.
I promise you, tonight we shall dine like kings.
I have no doubt we will.
Don't give up, Leon.
Oke, perburuan begu berlanjut ya.
I'm coming, Leon. Keep him there and you'll get a piece for yourself.
Kemana lompatnya euy?
The boar. It's bleeding.
Ayo naik. Letak buyatak lagi ini. Aduh.
He must have found it. His britches were almost
Guys.
Someone's not going to be happy.
Ini sangat cero sekali ini buyatak ini. Kita melewati letak ya ini, tapi ini kayaknya banyak belutnya ini. Belut-belut besar biasanya di rawa-rawa seperti ini nih. Tapi ya,
Leo,
katanya ada ke bau-bau bangkean gitu katanya. Alah si Leo kemana sorana jempling ya?
it's the boar. But how? Leo
Bangke.
couldn't have done that. Leo, come here.
Si Leo mana Leo?
I'm here. I'm coming.
Kemana si Leo? Suaranya sudah guguikan gitu ya si Leo ya. Kayaknya terjadi Oh guys, Sirio diporos kayaknya.
My dog. Who did this?
Diporos masuk ke lubang unur-unur ini. Astagfirullahaladzim. Alah. Oh,
What devilry is this? We must go.
kayaknya itu lubang beritnya ya, guys ya. Kayaknya itu lubang berit monsternya di situ kayaknya. Oke, waduh. Awal yang menegangkan ya. Oke, lanjut kisahnya ini kemana nih? Oh, mereka pada pulang
I
ke
shall
rumah.
organize a hunt. Go and find your mother. Tell her I must speak with her. She's probably...
Looking after Hugo. Yes, of course.
Hugo, siapa Hugo?
Amicia
Oh,
was a
Amicia.
good dog.
Amicia apa Amisio ini namanya Amicia sedih guys. Guguk kesayangannya ya, asup karena liang ya. Seperti ada yang nyedot. Oke, kita jalan-jalan dulu nih di rumah Amicia ya. Ada apa aja? Di sini ada kandang kuda. Tuh, kandang kuda, dia punya kandang kuda juga.
Lady Amicia, you're back.
Theo, there's an emergency. Get the others and go and see my father as soon as you can, alright?
Oh,
By
ini
the way, I've set up some targets for your sling behind the stables.
Oh, thank you.
Oke, itu pura ngedukan caduk kudanya ya. Ini kita juga punya apa ini ya? Sayang Engang kayaknya ini. Sayang Engang ini kayak produksi madu juga kayaknya ya. Ini juga banyak ayam-ayam ya di sini ya. Oke, ternyata di rumahnya juga punya
New rivets will have to wait.
tambang, lain tambang naon sih peranjenan nu kieu teh? Peranjenan besi ya, juga di daerah Cibatu ya lah, pokoknya kurang mek prekan besi ngabentuk senjata.
Now, why would the English go and...
Oh, nyieun tapak eta naon teh talapok suku kuda. Oke, ada apa lagi? Ini di sini sedang membuat apa nih? Duo paman ini ya. Halo paman, lagi apa? Oh, kayaknya mereka pada marahan nih. Judas tengah jawab, cangkar sirit mah. Oh, ada nenek juga ini nih.
Walk? Later, Flo. Tell the others
Sedang
that the
micunan
forest is
bulu
up and
ayam
around
ya.
until further notice.
Yes, I'll tell them.
Micunan bulu ayam ini gak habis-habis. Yuk, mak dipencit tuh ya ayam. Tepak mencitan mah, Aduh, bangun tuh dipencit ya mah. Apa ku tetelo sugan. Oke, kita lihat rumahnya mah. Oish. Ada babi juga yang haram-haram di sini ya. Tapi bagi Amica ini nggak haram, ini makanannya ya. Oh, ternyata ada produk haram juga di dalam ya. Kita Amica ini punya berapa babi? 3 ya, kayaknya punya 3 babi ya di sini ya. Dan ini babinya montok-montok sekali ya. Aduh. Oke, kandang babi sudah. Berarti lain imasi emak itu kandang babi. Kayak imana si Amica di mananya? Panto asupna ya. Oh iya.
Ratio Sancti Sebastiani, keep us from evil. May you forever grant us health and keep plague from
Oh,
our
anu
door.
keur ngadoa. Anu keur ngadoa. Oke. Amica juga tuh berdoa tuh.
Take care of Leon, please. He deserves his place at your side. Even if he was a bit naughty
Ya,
sometimes.
berdoalah menurut kepercayaan masing-masing ya. Karena semuanya juga baik ya. Yang namanya doa pasti semua baik. Terserah apapun itu agamanya. Oke, kita lanjut ke sini. Ini ada sumur dan ayah
Won't last long.
si bapak lagi ngegunukeun runtah, kayaknya rek ngedurukan ya dia ya.
We're lucky to be in this
Oh,
house.
kita juga punya soang juga.
You're right about that.
Oke.
Ah, Gabrielle. Is mother upstairs?
Oh iya, si
Yes,
Bibi
she spent the
Gabriel.
night there. The little one had another one of his attacks.
She won't be in a good mood.
Oke Bibi, setik-setik dek rada ngarti lah. Cenah ge si ibunya aya di luhur. Kayak ka mana orang ya? Itu kumaha model imah teh ieu teh? Loba liang teu pararuguh. Coba geus panto deui. Oh iya kaluhur, oh bener-bener. Oke, kita keluar. Alah jadi kehanap lagi ya, kepencet ini.
Louise. Have you been
Louise.
to see mother?
Indeed. Do you want to see her?
It's important. Father's orders.
Oh, in that case, I have to finish your room. By the way, I've left a little something for you on your bed.
Oh, di sini. Kumaha ya mother teh? Ora keneh teh nya. Oh, atuh masih kenceng ini mah, euy mothernya juga.
Something
Budak
attacked me
segede
out in the
kieu mah untuk mother seperti ini mah aduh.
Wish I had the time to
Dina ranana ge moal lila atuh euy. Sugan teh mother teh. Aduh. Bodinya juga jangkung
He
deh.
was lying there on the ground, and then he was.
Shh. You are to stay here with your brother.
What?
Naonnya?
Why? What's
close the
happening?
door behind me and do not open the shutters, whatever happens.
But
Seperti ada suara gugugan anjing di luar nih.
Contagious. I realize you hardly know him, but he will be all right. Trust me, Amicia.
yes, mother.
Naonnya suara gugugan anjing lo kieu euy. Bieu teu ngarti sih si ibu eta ngomong naonnya. Artina kieu dewe kudu ka mana ayeuna ya?
It's locked.
Lock. Coba ini lock juga. Tinggal ada satu liang lagi nih. Ini rumah
All
mother.
these potions. Mother, will you ever be able to cure him? How long has he been here?
Ada suara budak euy.
Yes,
Mami weh.
Where is
Iya bangun teh budak nu dina kamar teh ya. Si Hugo bener. Hugo. Aduh lucunya.
your
Mau dimirip da eker leutik si Hugo euy.
Hello.
We haven't seen each other much. Mummy will be back soon.
Aya masalah naon ya? Wah, aku eta bot kuat cucuk ke hungkul.
Killed two of our men.
Bangun beres balik ti Tegal Borang.
Where is he? I won't ask again. Where is your son? In good hands.
Ah. Bagus euy.
Search the house.
Oh no, father is dipencit ya guys. Fathernya dipencit. Oh, sama amang-amang yang pakai sepatu bot cucukan tadi ya. Oke, kita jika nyusulan ke sini kayaknya ini. Oke. Pencit tenang. Hugo. Kadi Hugo. Tong lupa tatanya sirit. Cicing. Genting ya. Iya, amang-amang prajurit di mana ya?
Let's go now.
Oke, kemana let's go? Oh, dia. Aduh. Allah.
Stay down.
Cing.
Hey, you! What the hell are you doing?
Let's go.
The kid, huh?
Leave him alone.
Shut your mouth. He belongs to the Inquisition.
But he's just a child. You've lost your power.
Gabriel.
Allah. Si Gabriel ge mohon digablogan di. Tuh. Allah, si Gabriel lagi di pelayan. Kayak kemana ya? Jalan. Kayak itu mau dikunci.
Come on.
Kemana ya? Amang-amang. Allah, mau balik di bawah. Ini guys, game bikin liang tai kita jadi nyanyautan gitu ya, ada renghap ranyutnya gitu ya. Tupan muih ah. Kok dia mau kasih Gabriel sih nanti. Oke. Mana di mana ya tadi mana? Alah. Oh, kanap. Untung si Hugo teganeng budak teh bager. Repeh.
Mother. I have to find Mother. She'll know.
Bisa lompat tuh sih teh.
Oh my
Tuh,
God. Louise.
Think it's funny making me run like that?
Pak, kowe datang aparat, euy. Bagong sadis main hantem.
We need to move.
Don't worry.
Iya mau ke mana?
We serve a higher power.
Buru.
Let's check you're not hiding anything.
Wah, kowe beak dibantai kesalahan naon nih keluarga ya.
Going.
Kemana ya?
This is your last chance. Tell us what you know about your mistress's research. Even if I knew, I wouldn't say anything. Lady Beatrice is a good soul. Right, there are still rooms to be searched. Finish it.
Ayo. Buru. Cepet. Kemana ke dapur deh iya mah. Oh iya. Kayak mana gua?
Well. Where do you think you're going?
Aduh, sakit. Untung ayah mother, oi. Oh, thank you mother. Masih herang gini mothernya gitu. Rana ya, ini mothernya ya guys ya, bercanda ya, karena suaminya tadi udah digorok sama si sepatu bot berduri ya. Ini yang mau daftar silakan nih sama mother nih.
You all right? Did you hear me?
Jadi ayahnya Micha sama Hugo.
Hugo, take your sister's hand. I'll go first, and you just have to follow me, all right?
Alright.
We have to cross the gardens. Amicia, hold your brother's hand and follow me in silence, all right?
Yes.
Yes. They are everywhere.
Trust me. Through the grass, they won't be able to see us.
Mengkol.
Wait.
Mommy.
Ganing Hugo, mami wes ya teh. Untuk apal di waktu kuno dak teh nya. Aparat ngeloba gitu jalajar.
Hey, I've got another one.
Allah.
Who is it? The gardener. Knows the family well. Says he watched the kids grow up. Yes, the little one loves flowers.
Oh, bonang,
I used
oi.
to take him some. Flowers? You can do better than that. Take him.
Make sure he tells you everything he knows.
Please, don't. Shut up. Move.
It worked. Shh. Hide.
I've worked here all my life. They're like family to me. You'll get nothing out of me. Go to hell.
Oh yeah? You first.
Waduh, dicabut bagus.
Have a little think. I'll come back later.
Come on.
Don't die
Lu
without
meleng.
talking to me first.
Bastards. Cowards.
Oh, stop.
We have to
You're
get through.
breaking my heart.
He's young. Help him.
If your
I'll
master
carry
had
you.
just given us
Alright.
his son,
Alright.
we would have avoided all
Be
this.
careful getting down.
But Robert the
Yes.
Rune doesn't like the Inquisition, even though we got the
Just a
noble
boy and a
cause.
bunch of peasants. How long can it take?
Tell us everything.
Udah kemana ya Inung Nabi teh? Kemana guys? Oh iya. Oke.
Look out. They'll see us. You have to get further away. If I can hit the helmets in the crates over there, your sling will give us away. I can throw it instead.
Naon itu? Oh katel. Hiji. Rock. Oh batuna eueuh. Suku.
Stay here.
Aku cincin
Sound. I'll wait for you.
Oke. Babet kadinya berarti babetnya.
That noise.
Right. Let's go.
Came from over there.
Ugo,
It's
ayo
okay,
buru.
Hugo. I'm coming. Ow, my head.
Breathe, Hugo, like I showed you.
What's wrong with him?
His illness has
Nothing to
awoken.
report.
We need to go faster.
So, the boy?
Is happening, but Lord Lawrence is tracking him down. The Grand Inquisitor
No,
might
he's
have
young.
Halo lah.
The guard has never had a better
Wait.
I will be back soon.
at
You have
least
to be
he got the
quiet.
father.
Right.
And soon
Alright.
he'll get the son.
I'll stay here.
Kemana ya? Kanyawan Tunggu mah. Hiji. Oh.
Let's go.
Ayo, Ugo.
Be careful.
Ayo
You
Ugo,
can come here.
pegang tangan teteh. Kemana Mother? Mother kemana? Oh itu. Ayo buru.
We can't go.
Mother,
Nothing here.
Maybe by throwing one of these pots.
really?
Oke, pakai pot
Boys will
kemang ya.
attract him. We'll slip past behind his back.
All right.
Ayo bisa ya. Oke. Berarti ke dia tah.
That noise. Better go see what it was.
Come on. Come on.
Ayo Ugo, ayo. Miring jeung teteh.
Oh, no.
Stay calm. Hold my hand tight.
It's locked from the other side.
Mother,
Dikunci deh.
Yes. Hugo, I'm sorry. I know you're scared, but if you get through there, you can open the door for us. You're the only one who can do it.
Bener. Ayo Ugo, ayo.
Concentrate on the door.
Sirit, ngan mana nu bisa nage jung kitu jung.
Every day. Amicia is going to let go of your hand. Then you can quickly go through, alright? Alright.
Ayo jung ka itu jung maju. Suku nguruduk ke mana tah?
Well done.
Oke, buka pantau. Pinter, adik teteh pinter. Dia. Ayo. Dia pegang tangan teteh di.
Wait.
Screaming for mercy won't make you run faster, my lad.
come on.
Sadis bagoy. Alah. Ih, kemana Mother kemananya? Iya si Mother Inungna ka mana asup nanya? Ugo kalur Ugo tuh. Ugo kalur Ugo. Alah Inungna
Nothing.
Itu nih tuh.
Here.
Eta di mana tinggalin kumaha? Ugo.
Stay calm. Wait for me here.
I want to move.
Iya Hugo.
Coming.
Amicia, you have to help him next time.
Sorry,
Alah, adik aing tinggalin deh.
You can come here. I'm coming.
Kehead. Mari
My
laku.
head. What is wrong with him?
Riot hulu hujanan da meureunnan.
Boys, Hugo. You know how this goes.
Nanti gak apa-apa ya sayang ya. Nanti dikerok sama mama ya pakai kayu putih ya.
Think of the cloud that you breathe in and blow
Hujanan budak riot hulu tuh.
like that slowly. Mother, we can't stay. Give him a little time.
Si Hugo kunaon nyeri siranya.
I think so.
So, let's continue. Courage, my darling.
Oke, Hugo Kemon, kita lanjutkan perjalanan kita, Hugo.
Quietly now. All right.
Perjalanan kita masih jauh, Hugo. Oke.
There you go.
Thank you.
Come on, let's go.
We can go now.
It's too risky with Hugo. He's slower than us.
There are bots over there. I could cross, make a diversion.
Alone.
Yes, you'd have more time.
Potna jauh, euy.
I can let you know when it's alright.
Be very careful.
Oke. Oke, jadi kita akan ngingkik ke sana sendiri ya, cuy ya. Oke, Amica, lari sayang, lari. Awas, hati-hati. Oke, masuk.
Aim well. Mother and Hugo need time to get through.
Oke, buang yang jauh.
What's all the
I
noise?
need to call them now.
Oke. Hugo.
Come here.
We're coming.
Come on. Come quickly.
Cepet.
Well done.
Ayo, pegang
Let
tangan
you know
teteh,
when
ayo.
it's alright.
Be very careful.
Hugo, ayo.
Be careful.
Straight away.
The garden gate. We should be able to get out of here.
There's one guard left.
The scarecrow. I used to practice firing at it.
Masih ada satu lagi nih.
This way. Yes, but we can wait until he goes away again.
Oke guys, tampak ada ember di depan ya. Ini gimana kita supaya bisa lewat? Bodyguardnya juga di sana. Apa kita coba lempar dulu gitu?
I can let you know when it's alright.
Be very careful.
Ah,
Wait, what's that?
alah, aing nangtung bieu euy. Kanyawan. Mudahan astagfirullahaladzim. Aduh, mati guys. Orang cuma sekali dia ican peti ngerti ya bang sudah kumaya.
I used to practice firing at it.
Saya batu, ya batu.
He goes away again.
Alright. Leave this to me.
Oh, babet ka dieu.
What was that noise?
Lah. Ini kan majuna ka dieu urang kudu ka itu ya. Oke, tapi mun urang lewat ayeuna pasti ketinggalian.
Go away. Get out of
I
here.
need to calm down.
Kelak gimana ya? Oh, oke. Now. Oh, bener. Oh, supaya maju terus nanti dia akan ngingkik balik lagi ke belakang, guys. Oke, ngerti.
Alive. This way. This way. Follow me.
Oh, ini follow me. Oke, kayaknya kita berhasil nih ya.
My darling. Go and hide quickly now.
Oke, berhasil. Hugo disuruh pergi duluan. Oh. Ketahuan guys, kayaknya ketahuan sama amang-amang yang pakai bot berduri ya.
Laurentius.
The doctor?
Yes. He helped me treat Hugo.
Oh, enggak, Mami, enggak.
You have to need me, Amicia.
Oh, ini nih yang paling gak suka nih guys nih. Mengorbankan dirinya untuk menyelamatkan anaknya. Aduh. Ini nih penjahatnya nih, bodoh amat itu, padahal si maminya itu seksi banget ya. Oh. No, mami. Aduh, ainganya woy. Gila guys, ditusuk ibunya guys. Oke, Amicha, Hugo, saatnya kita kabur ya. Kita udah ketahuan guys, dan kita harus lari secepat-cepatnya. Lihat, tampak tombak panas yang seleber ya di atas kepala ya. Oh, ayo Hugo. Don't stop, jangan berhenti terus lari terus. Oh. Tombak panas semuanya berseliweran ya di atas hulu ya. Tampak amang-amang yang mengejar kita semua membawa obor ya, membawa colen, kayaknya kita seperti binatang buruan ya di sini ya. Aduh, ini kakak beradik ini benar-benar apes sekali hidupnya ya. Ayo cepat Amisha, cepat. Jaga, di belakang kita juga ada guys yang ngejar guys. Gimana bisa kapok begitu ya? Bangsat. Oke, sekali lagi. Sprint, oke. Oke, kita coba sekali lagi guys. Ini kayaknya jangan sampai terhambat nih dalam larinya nih. Jangan sampai terhambat. Oke, terus di belakang kita udah ada tuh. Kumahinya larinya nggak bisa cepet gini ya. Was mami, orang nyelamatkan diri orang iri Hugo. Oke, terus lari. Terus lari, jangan sampai terhambat. Terus. Terus running terus. Ih, deket banget nih yang di belakang nih. Terus lari, terus running terus. Ini di mana ujungnya Tuhan? Ini di depan juga ada tuh. Mereka ada di mana-mana. Kayaknya kita malidin aja ke wahangan. Ayo cepat. Hugo, loncat Hugo. Astagfirullahaladzim, akhirnya berakhir juga guys season 1. Sampai berdebar-debar ya. Ini kalau diibaratkan bool kita tuh sampai empot-empotan itu ya, menahan ketegangan ini ya. Oke guys semuanya, untuk Basit Creative Game ya, ini percobaan pertama walkthrough Nukarar itu ini ya. Mudah-mudahan ini akan berlanjut kisahnya, nanti tunggu di part 2 ya. Kayaknya kita harus berpisah, sampai ketemu besok. Oke, pokoknya orang lanjutkan gimana kelanjutan kisah Amisha dan Hugo dalam pelariannya ya.